I thought I'd make a little video just to show how easy it should be to put a TRUTUNE in, because it's easy and because the TRUTUNE, there aren't a lot of videos on YouTube about the TRUTUNE. This is for my RockShox Zeb 3538 TRUTUNE Carbonaire, and I can't really tell you what it does necessarily, but it replaces your volume spacers. That being said, let's get into it. Should be pretty easy here. Let out my air. Goes my valve stem. Okay. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Okay. Okay, so here we go. Those are my volume spacers. That's what I will be replacing. So, voila, easy as that. Then all I need to do is put that back in, put my valve stem back in, pump it up with air to my preferred pressure. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the video because I need to clean this. So cool.